All right, we've got a little bit of a bounce in natural gas today, but before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by NatGas, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So we had a long-term breakdown of this zone right here recently, and then since then price has been declining in a consolidation pattern that takes the form of a potential bullish wedge pattern, falling bullish wedge. However, you can see that the 263 target was hit, which completes an ABCD pattern, falling ABCD pattern. So these are two equal measured moves, AB and CD. And we got to bounce off that level, and we got a daily close above the prior trend low. That is a potential short-term sign of strength, certainly. And then we see a reversal signal today with a rally above yesterday's high, as the rally is contained within this declining wedge pattern. So it's a rally inside a downtrend. And this downtrend, the smaller downtrend, is within this larger developing downtrend. So the expectation is that resistance will be seen, and there will be continuation to the downside towards the next target zone around 255, 254 or so, unless there is a breakout to the upside. The wedge could break out now rather than falling further and then breaking out. So we have our red 10-period moving average here. We can use as a guide because you can see that it is converged with this trend line. So it's identifying essentially the same level, but it's telling us the same thing with a more specific price, and that is currently at 279, 280. So that is the first sign of a breakout above that level, and then confirmation is above this minor interim swing high here at 2.85. A rally above 2.85 that is sustained may be able to see a continuation of the bounce. However, we do have this dynamic resistance purple 20 moving average to contend with as well. It is still falling, so by the time the breakout happens, if it does happen, this 20 moving average could be in a similar price zone, and that is currently at 290, and that's showing us dynamic resistance. And then of course there's other levels as well, but that is it for today, traders. Have a great week.